So we've been getting a lot of phone calls about what kind of knot to use to attach the rope on to the tent with, what degree of angle the rope should be at, and how the rope tensioners work. So we wanted to go over that today with you guys. First thing I like to do is pound my stake into the ground for my rope. There's a couple schools of thought here. You can keep it with the same angle as the tent, so you'd be staking it out quite a bit farther. We've always done about 3 feet away from the tent. And when you put a stake into the ground, a stake that is driven straight up and down is going to be a lot stronger than a tent stake driven at an angle. The downside here is the rope does have a tendency to want to pop off the stake if it's straight up and down. One thing I've done with my tent is got a ton of washers. I put a washer over this, and you can even tack weld it on if you like. I leave mine loose, but that really helps that from the rope jumping off the stake. So next thing I do is tie the rope to my tent. Now this tent has traditional poles on it, so I'm going to tie off to the eye of the traditional pole, but you can use the same knot to tie off to the grommet. I put it through, it's just an overhand knot, come back through itself and pull it tight, and then slide it up. And then you would take your rope with your rope tensioner, and you would wrap that around the head of the nail or underneath your washer to keep it from coming off. And the way the rope tensioner works is basic tension or simple tension. I get the tent nice and tight, I pull it with my free hand, and I slide that tensioner up until it gets tight. And away you go.